What you got there?
It's fishy. It's piranha.
You sure it's a piranha?
I don't think so. It's cool fishy. Good stuff. Nice place.
Where do we go now?
Go to see fishies.
Will we see more fishes?
Manatee, mermaid, anything. He just winked at you.
He did? He winked at me?
Oh, cool. They're so aesthetic. You know? Cool face. Oh, look, it's a sandpit.
Do you see them? Like, do you think they were in there?
No. I don't care. I'm just happy.
Sweetie, I think that's it right there.
Do you see it? Whoa!
I thought it was a rock.
Whoa! You can outrun one of those in the wild. Don't try this at home, kid. Don't try this at home.
Look, birds.
How much you want to bet? That's the only boy in that cave. In the same PC. But that's it. Looks like
Yeah, there's another one up there.
The girl looks so boring. So they have eggs. Look, there's another boy. It's an old boy.
Oh, I didn't even notice the two birds right up there. I didn't even notice the two birds right there. They got the weirdest eyes.
They look like a small shark.
Oh my god, I didn't even notice. The giant nope rope. Can you imagine meeting that in the water?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Hello. Isn't he look like a dinosaur?
He do be looking like a dinosaur.
He look like a baboon. Is he real?
I think he's real. No.
He look mean.
Oh, there's another one right here in the corner, huh? Right there. Is that a bat?
Yeah.
Look how close they can get to it, Sweetie.
Look at the human in the exhibit. You see that human?
The human.
In the exhibit.
Oh, hey!
Hi. You see the bat? Yeah. That's amazing.
They're hating Nana. They're hating Nana because he's so fast.
I'm Batman. I don't want to live here though.
Oh, hey!
Look at the alligator. He's like, hello. Open his mouth. Look at the crocodile. Wow, it's massive.
Let's go around to the front.
It's massive.
Let's go.
Let's go. Wow. Imagine one of those chasing you. Imagine one of those.
No, thank you.
Nothing. Over there's a frog that have baby hatch out his back.
Ew.
It's a bigger ew. Ew. Tay cái bé nào.
Where are we?
We're here. I told you we was in Brazil. Lobo de Rio. Okay, we're poor and we don't have money to travel, so we like to go to places and pretend like we go to places, and then that make us feel less sad about life.
Look, sunbathing turtles.
Sunbathing turtle. Oh, look at this turtle have a yellow dot on their head. They're elite turtles. And that is a stingray. I wonder, are these freshwater?
I think so. Is that a fish or an eel?
It's a fish. It's really respected in a lot of Asian culture. Believed to bring luck and prosperity.
Why?
They're very powerful fish. Very aggressive.
Also long.
Long. Ginormous catfish.
Yeah, I know. There's one right here.
Dude, that one's a big one.
That one is a big boy.
I see a camera.
Part of your world?
Part of your
Get out of the way, catfish. You're in my shot.
Wow, it's the fact that he's doing Michael Jackson.
He is doing a Michael Jackson swimming backwards.
Hello, Mr. Manatee. Oh, hello, dear. Yes,
I know. I waved at him.
you.
I waved at him and he waved at me. Hi. Oh my goodness.
You see how big he is?
He is
You
huge.
see that?
Yeah. Oh, he's waving. He knows how to wave and everything.
He's a smart boy. He's a smart water boy. He's a big smart water boy. He's a dynamic big smart water boy. And he's so cute. Oh, his nose is beautiful. So we found this guy chewing rock. He just contently chewing rock. Like he doesn't mind nobody's business. Like if you watch him, you see he scoop up rock and then he just chew it. And he chew his rock and he chew them.
Oh, it's a whole neighborhood thing. They're all chewing rocks.
I think rock here like meth. like medicine. Oh, Animal Crossing have this angelfish. Make a wish.
Do they also chew rocks?
I think they attend kind of prevent them from that awesome pleasure chewing rock.
Oh, this one is also chewing rocks.
Nó có món mà nó bình thường này. Now lick the wall. Can I?
Don't lick the glass. No, hey. Kick.
Look at this cool place. It's in the middle of the zoo and you can just be among your business. And if you're just tired, you come over and you find your cool crocodile bench and nappy. Take nappy right here, right now, like this. Like you can go with the grand, or you can go with the grand. This way. Or like this. Or like this. Like that. I'm the one with the crocodile. So good?
Sounds great.
I see y'all here. What are these? They're so cute, Jade.
Cuttlefish?
They're so.
Whoa, giant parrotfish.
Oh, he hurt himself. You saw that?
I did.
He snapped into the branch and he got ouch.